Located in Central California, about 80 miles south of San Jose, Pinnacles National Park is one of the newest and least crowded national parks in the country. But its landscape tells one of the oldest geological stories in the region. Most visitors begin on the east side of the park near Bear Gulch, which serves as one of the main access points. At first glance, the towering rock spires and narrow canyons look almost unnatural. Over time, movement along the San Andreas Fault slowly carried these volcanic rocks more than 100 miles north from their original location. Wind, water, and erosion shaped them into jagged cliffs, talus caves, and dramatic peaks we see today.
For today's adventure is a challenge.
Unlike traditional caves formed by limestone, these were created when massive boulders collapsed into steep ravines, forming natural tunnels and shaded passageways. At the end of the trail, the canyon opens to Bear Gulch Reservoir, a small dam built in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps. Despite being smaller and less famous than parks like Yosemite or Sequoia, Pinnacles offers something different: fewer crowds, closer access to nature, and trails that feel more adventurous and hands-on. Here you don't just look at the landscape, you move through it, you climb it, and explore it up close. Pinnacles National Park is a place shaped by ancient geology, unique wildlife, and active outdoor adventure. A hidden gem that proves you don't need massive mountains to experience something unforgettable.